everyone, and welcome to Fluent World. I'm Tana, and today we'll enjoy a friendly English conversation. We'll learn simple words and sentences in a natural way, so relax, smile, and let's start.
Hi, Tana.
Hey, Wood, how are you today?
I'm good. Thanks. How about you?
I'm great. It's such a beautiful day. The sky is clear, and the sun feels warm.
Yeah, perfect weather for a walk in the park.
Exactly. Do you come here often?
Not really. I'm usually busy with work, but today, I just wanted to relax.
Good idea. We all need a break sometimes.
True, and I also want to practice my English with you.
Oh, nice. Let's do it. We can talk about anything. What did you do this morning?
I woke up late, then I made some tea. After that, I watched a short English video.
Great. What was the video about?
It was about daily English phrases. You know, like, how's it going? Or what's up?
Haha, those are good ones. Do you remember any others?
Yes, long time no see, and take care.
Perfect. You're learning quickly.
Thanks. I try to speak a little English every day.
That's the secret. Practice every day. Even 5 minutes helps.
Do you practice any other language, Tana?
A little bit of Spanish. I can say hola and gracias.
Haha, that means hello and thank you, right?
Exactly. See, you're learning Spanish too now.
Maybe we can start a podcast together. English and Spanish for fun.
That's a great idea. We could teach simple words from both languages.
Yeah, and we could record it right here in the park. It's peaceful.
True. The sound of birds, the wind, people laughing, it's the perfect background.
I like that. I think I'll come to the park more often.
You should. Fresh air and English practice. Best combination.
Thanks, Tana. You always make learning fun.
Aw, thank you, Wood. You're doing great. That's all for today's episode of Fluent World Podcast. See you next time, everyone.
Bye, everyone.